Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code Retro, and this is our Python 30 days challenge. So today, which is day 15, we are halfway done with 30 days challenge. Is someone excited? Wow, like this is the third week of our 30 days Python challenge, and I'm sure now that you're halfway done, you must have seen a whole lot different ways to solve problems. So without further ado, let's get into it. So today we're looking at the LCM of numbers. So write a program to find the least common multiple factors of these two natural number, m and n. So we are dealing with m and n now again. And here we have this beautiful formula right here to find the least common multiple factors of m and n. So that's multiplying m and n then divided by the HCF of m and n itself. And in the last video, we find the HCF of m and n. If you've not watched that, please go back and watch it. So I'm just going to pause the video and try to do this now. Then we walk through it together. So guessing you've given it a try and are you able to get it or you're not able to get it, comment it down in the comment section and let's see how you approached it. All right, so to approach it now, we're just going to go again with our m and n and our input. Okay, right there. So I'm going to go ahead and say input, enter a value for m. Then n right here is going to be int input, enter a value for n. So now we have a value for n. What we need to find now is the greatest common factor. Then GCM, that's the greatest. Okay, GCD. Right. So we need to find that first before we can proceed. So the greatest common divisor right here. So you could have done it the way we did it the previous time, which is in the last video, which is day 14 video. If you've not seen that, please go and watch it to know how you can do this. But I'm not going to go through that route now. I'm going to show you another method we can approach this by importing the math module. So right here, we import the math module and I can easily say math dot just like this, then have it my m and my n right there. So here I have my integers finding the greatest common divisor right there. So I cannot say I have my LCM right here, and I'm saying my LCM now is m multiplied by n, and just put this in parentheses. Then right there, I'm now dividing it by GCD. All right, so let's maximize this so we can see this. So I can just go ahead and print. All right, so I think I'll need to minimize this again. All right, so we just printed LCM right here. All right, so just go ahead and print LCM. All right, so m then n is equals to LCM. All right, so let's go ahead and run this beautiful code and see our code in action. So right here, I'm going to just say 48 and 12. All right. So now we've tested 48 and 12 and we've seen an output. So let's try it again with a different value. This time around 12 and 6. Here again, we have it as 12. So now we can see our LCM working with, which is the least common multiple. Right. So this now is 4, 8. Here we have 8, right? All right, so what if we try something like 5 and 6, 30? Can see? All right, that is now good and is wonderful, working quite all right. So yeah, that'll be all for today for day 15. Don't forget to like this video to help the YouTube algorithm to know that this video is relevant and is doing something, and so they can push it out there. And if you are watching, you're on day 15 and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, that's fair. So right now, go to that button and press the subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching. See you next week, or see you in the next video, day 16, or which other video you will watch next. Bye bye. See you next time.